Where is Thomas?
Right there.
Okay. And Henry?
And Henry.
How about another one? Who is it?
Golden.
And tell me one by one.
Thomas.
Okay.
Thomas.
Okay.
James.
Okay.
Golden.
Okay. Where is
Henry.
Henry?
Thomas.
Okay.
Charlie.
Charlie, good.
Duncan.
Okay.
Emily.
Okay.
Emily.
Okay.
Hank.
Hank, okay.
Lisa.
Teacher, okay, good. And
James.
James, okay.
Thomas.
Thomas, what color is Thomas?
Blue.
Okay, how about one by one? Tell me, Henry is?
Green.
Gordon is?
Blue.
And Charlie is?
Purple.
And Duncan is?
Green. Noel.
Yes. And Emily is?
Green. Not
And-
green.
Yeah, dark green. And Hank is?
Purple.
How about Diesel?
Black.
Yay, good job. Do you want to pee?